How to use AI for digital real estate. In the rapidly evolving world of real estate, technology has become an indispensable ally. Artificial intelligence, AI in particular, has emerged as a transformative force in the sector. By harnessing the power of AI, real estate professionals can streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and make data-driven decisions that lead to more profitable outcomes. AI-driven property valuation and pricing. One of the most prominent applications of AI in digital real estate is property valuation and pricing. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets, including historical sales, property features, local market trends, and even satellite imagery, to provide accurate and timely property valuations. This is invaluable for both buyers and sellers, as it ensures fair and competitive pricing. AI also assists real estate professionals in setting the optimal listing prices for properties. By considering various factors such as property characteristics, location, and market demand, AI-driven pricing tools help agents maximize their chances of selling properties quickly and at the right price. Predictive analytics for investment decisions. Investors in the real estate market can benefit significantly from AI-powered predictive analytics. These algorithms analyze historical and current data to forecast future market trends and investment opportunities. By identifying emerging markets, predicting property value trends, and assessing potential rental income, investors can make informed decisions to maximize returns. AI also aids in risk assessment by evaluating variables like economic indicators, local job markets, and demographic shifts. This enables investors to mitigate potential risks associated with property investments. Personalized property recommendations. For home buyers and renters, finding the perfect property can be overwhelming due to the sheer volume of listings available. AI-driven recommendation systems use machine learning algorithms to understand individual preferences and behaviors. These systems provide users with personalized property recommendations based on criteria like location, budget, and property features. By tailoring property suggestions to each user, AI not only saves time but also increases the likelihood of matching buyers and renters with properties that meet their specific needs and desires. Chatbots and virtual assistants for customer service. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants have become valuable tools for real estate agencies. They can provide instant responses to customer inquiries, schedule property viewings, and assist with routine tasks, such as filling out paperwork. This technology enhances customer service by ensuring that clients receive prompt assistance and information, even outside regular business hours. Additionally, virtual assistants can automate administrative tasks, allowing real estate professionals to focus more on client relationships and strategic decision-making. Enhanced property marketing. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing property marketing strategies. Real estate agents and marketers can use AI to create highly targeted and effective advertising campaigns. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI can identify potential buyers or renters and deliver personalized property listings and content to them. Furthermore, AI can optimize ad placements and budgets, ensuring that marketing efforts generate the best possible return on investment. Property inspection and maintenance. AI-driven inspection technologies, including drones and computer vision systems, have simplified property inspections and maintenance. Drones can capture high-resolution images and videos of properties, helping sellers showcase their listings more effectively. For property managers, AI-powered computer vision systems can detect maintenance issues, such as water leaks or structural damage, before they become major problems. These technologies not only improve property quality but also reduce operational costs and enhance property value. Data analysis and market insights. In the era of big data, AI excels at processing and analyzing vast amounts of information. Real estate professionals can leverage AI tools to gain deep insights into market trends, buyer behaviors, and competitive landscapes. By understanding market dynamics and emerging opportunities, real estate agents and investors can adapt their strategies for optimal results. Ethical considerations and data privacy. As the real estate industry embraces AI technologies, it is essential to consider the ethical implications and data privacy concerns that accompany these innovations. AI algorithms rely on vast datasets, which may include sensitive information about individuals and properties. Ensuring data security and compliance with privacy regulations is paramount. Real estate professionals must take steps to protect clients' personal information and maintain transparency in their data collection and usage practices. Establishing robust data protection measures and adhering to regulations such as GDPR or CCPA helps build trust with clients and safeguards against potential legal and ethical issues. Challenges and limitations of AI in real estate. While AI offers numerous benefits to the real estate sector, it is not without challenges and limitations. Data quality and availability. AI algorithms require high-quality, accurate, and up-to-date data to produce meaningful insights. In some markets, data may be limited or unreliable, hindering AI's effectiveness. Algorithm bias. AI algorithms can inherit biases present in training data, potentially leading to discriminatory outcomes. It is crucial to monitor and address bias in AI models to ensure fairness in real estate transactions. Initial implementation costs. Integrating AI into real estate operations may require initial investments in technology, training, and infrastructure, which can be a barrier for smaller agencies or professionals. Oversaturation of information. With the proliferation of AI-driven property recommendations and marketing, clients may become overwhelmed by information. Striking the right balance between personalized recommendations and information overload is a challenge. Future trends in AI and real estate. The future of AI in real estate holds exciting possibilities. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). AR and VR technologies are becoming integral for virtual property tours and immersive experiences, allowing buyers and renters to explore properties remotely. Blockchain for property transactions. Blockchain technology can enhance transparency and security in property transactions, reducing fraud and streamlining the buying process. Advanced natural language processing (NLP). AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants will become more sophisticated, providing human-like interactions and automating complex tasks like contract negotiation. Smart cities. AI will play a pivotal role in the development of smart cities, optimizing traffic management, energy consumption, and infrastructure maintenance to create more livable urban environments. Environmental impact assessment. AI can assess the environmental impact of properties and provide insights into energy efficiency, making sustainability a key consideration for property buyers and investors. The integration of AI into digital real estate represents a paradigm shift in the industry. Whether you are a real estate agent, investor, buyer, or seller, AI technologies offer numerous advantages, from accurate property valuations to personalized recommendations and streamlined operations. However, it's crucial to recognize that AI is not a replacement for human expertise, but rather a powerful tool that complements and enhances the capabilities of real estate professionals. As AI continues to advance, its role in the industry will expand, providing new opportunities and efficiencies for those who embrace this transformative technology. To succeed in the digital real estate landscape, professionals must stay informed about the latest AI developments, invest in training and tools, and adapt their strategies to harness the full potential of artificial intelligence. By doing so, they can thrive in a rapidly changing industry that promises a more efficient, customer-centric, and data-driven future. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.